Okay, hi everybody. I am going to show you how to remove a doorknob that does not have screws on the outside. Now this I'm doing after watching a YouTube video that said how to do it, and it showed a gentleman and a child, also a different video, depressing a latch to remove the knob. Okay, I worked and worked and worked and I could not get this. Now I want to show you what I was pressing on the doorknob. This, if I can show you that. I want you to see this. Come on. That thing right there. But I've already removed this side, so I'm going to show you on the back side of the knob. The knob, there's another thing to press. So just because you try the first one, okay, don't give up, because it looks like the video, this thing here, it looks like a thing that you would depress. There's a little slot in the side. Well, it turns out that the one I took out has that. That's what I pressed. But on the side that I was trying to get off and was unsuccessful, I was pressing on that. So it was on the opposite side. It was on the opposite side. I can't flip it around, but so if the first thing that looks like a latch doesn't work, that for example, look at the other side of the doorknob, because there's another hole back there on the other side. Just don't give up. I just wanted to update, since I had some trouble with after watching the YouTube videos, and I'm sure the rest of how to install the doorknob will probably be right, but if it doesn't work out for me, I'll follow up on this. Thank you. Go off. Trying to turn it off. Go off.